Hello friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear friends, today in this class we shall start with the next topic, that is composition of functions. Now, what do you mean by this composition of the function? Let us go a little bit backwards, that is towards the definition of this particular composition of the function. So already we had seen what do you mean function in the first PUC. What is that? Let us have a two set non-empty sets A and B. Okay, this is our set A and this is our set B. We are having some elements, or else we can take it as all the elements are represented by X. All the elements of A are represented by X. All the elements of B are represented by Y. Here we tell that the function or the mapping, what it is, a function f from A to B we have. A function f from A to B we have. Okay, and how we define it as? And we define it as y equal to f of x. Okay, dear friends, and we define it as y equal to f of x. This is very important thing. Pay attention. Now, in the similar manner, if suppose we are having another one function, okay, here we can observe that x is nothing but here domain of that particular function. Y is nothing but the codomain of this particular function. If suppose this particular y is a domain of other function, that is we are having another set that is C, okay, and here all these elements are represented by Z, and we are having another function that is G. We are having another function that is G, and how it is defined here? That is Z is equal to f of, or Z is equal to G of Y. Here it is defined by y equal to f of x, and here G represents what? G from what it is? B to C. G from B to C is the function. Then we define another function, okay, that is composition of function denoted by G of f. Okay, G of f, that is nothing but a function from G of f, that is a function from A to C. That is a function from where it is? A to C. From A to C, and it is defined as G of f of x, which is equal to, how we define it as? That is G of f of x value, which is equal for all, what you can say, for all x belongs to what it is? The set A, and its value will be equal to Z here, and its value will be equal to Z. Is it clear, dear friends? These all definitions, okay, it is an informal manner of discussing about the composition of the function. Formally, how we define the function as? It is very simple. Pay attention. Let f from A to B. Here, let f from A to B, and G from B to C. G from B to C be two functions. Okay. Then the composition of the function f and g denoted by f of g. Okay, denoted by f of g from A to C, defined by f of g of x equal to what we have? F of g of x for all x belongs to A. Now we can ask one question here. This is a formal manner of defining the composition of the function. You may ask a question, sir, here if we are having only two sets, that is A and B, we define a function f from A, B. Here A is nothing but all the elements of x is nothing but domain, and y is nothing but codomain, you are telling. But now here in the G of f, okay, in this G of f, the set A, okay, all the elements of the A represents our domain. Okay, here in this G of f, okay, G of f of x, all the elements of the A represents as the domain, and all the elements of the C, all the elements of the set C, that is nothing but our codomain. Is it clear, everyone? So for the function G of f, the domain is nothing but the set A itself and the codomain is nothing but the set C. That means whatever the mapping from A to C we have. Is it clear, everyone? So dear friends, please pause the video to note down the definition of this particular function. Okay, well friends, now let us start with the problems related to our composition of the function. It is a very simple concept, composition of function, and it may be asked for 2 marks in your annual exam question papers. Now let us move on with the very simple basic examples. Okay, just for your understanding purpose, what actually do you mean by this composition of the function? Now here, what is the given problem is, first one, a function f from the set A to set B. What it is? Set A means 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, 3, 4, 5, 9, and g of another one function is there, that is g of 3 4 5 9, that is from b to c. We can observe that 3 4 5 9 and 3 4 5 9, a to b, from the set a to b and from the set b to c, both the b are same here. Okay, 3 4 5 9 3 4 5 9. Given f of 2 equal to 3, okay, f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5, g of 3 equal to 4 equal to 7, g of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Okay, find g of f of x for all x belongs to the set A. So here x means what it is, all the elements of the set A. We require to find all the values of it. So first of all, let us begin one by one. So first of all, g of f of x, that means in the place of x, x belongs to what we have, A. A set, what are the elements we have? In the place of x, I will put 2, 3, then 4 and 5. I will substitute all these values. That is g of, okay, pay attention, g of f of 2. Okay, in the place of x, for all x belongs to A, in the place of x, I will put 2 here. So what we get here? Okay, so that is, which is equal to g of, according to the definition, what we have, g of f of 2, which is equal to, okay. Now what is the value for f of 2 here, dear friends? What is the value for f of 2 here? Let us observe here. Okay, where is f of 2? F of 2 value, what it is? 3. That means here this particular value is g of 3 now. Is it clear? Now what is the g of 3 value now that we have to find here? Already it is given. G of 3 equal to g of 4 equal to what is the value? 7. I will write it as 7. So here this is our required answer. And we can observe that this particular 7 is an element of the set C. That is set C means here 7 here. That is very clear now. Now here the next value, that is g of f of, for all x. X means x in the next element is 3. That is g of f of 3. Now what is the value for g of f of 3? F of 3 means what is the value now? That we have to take f of 3. The value is 4. That is g of 4 we have. F of 3 value is 4 here. Now what is the value for g of 4? G of 4 value is also 7. That we can substitute. Okay, dear friends. Now let us move on to the next one. That is g of f of 3 is over. Now let us take 4. G of f of 4 equal to g of f of 4, which is equal to, now what is the value for f of 4 here? F of 4 value is 5. That is g of 5, which is equal to, now what is the value for g of 5 here? G of 5 equal to g of 9 equal to 11. Now the last one, what is the last one now? G of f of x, in the place of x the last value, that is 5. According to definition, g of f of 5. Now what is f of 5 value? That we shall find. F of 5 value, what we have here? F of 5 value is, again it is 5. That is g of 5 we get, g of 5. Now what is the value for g of 5 here? That we shall observe here. That is g of 5 value is, again it is 11 here. G of 5 value is 11. Okay, dear friends, it is our required example. It is our required example of first particular thing. Very, very simple. Now in the same manner, we shall move on to the next second problem. What is there in the second problem? Let us observe. Here it is given in the roster form here. Okay, here he had given directly phi is equal to f of x. He had given directly here. Okay, that is f of 3 equal to 4, f of 4 equal to 5, like this directly he has given. Here he has not given directly, but he has given two functions. Okay, in the roster form he has defined. Now what it is, let us observe here. A function is there, f from a to b, and from b to c. Okay, and g function from g to c. He has defined the function f as 1, 2. Okay, the order pair is 1, 2. Now what do you mean by this? This is the x value and this is the y value. That means what we have here, according to definition, I will write given f of 1 equal to value is 2. F of 1 value will be 2. When x equal to 1, y value is 2. Similarly, when f of 3 equal to what is the value? 5. F of 4 equal to what is the value? 1. Is it clear, everyone? In the same manner, here also g function he has provided. These all values are y and its value is z. Here it is from a to b, b to c. These all values are x, these all values are y here, and these values are of z here, small letter z. That means here g of, what is the g of value here? G of 1, g of 1 value what it is? 3. Next g of 2 equal to, again it is 3, and g of 5 value what it is? 1. Okay dear friends, these are all the given data. It is very very important to write down all these things. Otherwise, if you are knowing all these things, means you can write it directly. Nothing wrong in that. Now let us come back to our question. What is the question here? G of f of x for all x belongs to the set A. Very very simple question it is. That is g of f of x belongs to the set A. Set A means here g of 1, here f of g of 1 equal to f of g of f of 1, which is equal to, okay, which is equal to, now what is the value for f of 1? F of 1 value is 2, therefore g of 2. Now what is the value for g of 2? G of 2 value is 3. Very simple, the problem is over. In the similar manner, g of f of next x value is 3 here, 3, which is equal to g of f of 3, which is equal to g of, what is f of 3 value? F of 3 value is 5 here. Now what is f of 5 value? Sorry, g of 5 value. What is the g of 5 value is 1 here. Very simple. All the data we are having, just we have to substitute it. We have to make use of this composition of function definition. That is an important concept here. Okay, then at last g of f of, now the value is 5, g of f of 5, which is equal to g of f of 5, okay, which is equal to, now what is the value for f of 5 here? F of 5, okay, sorry, g of f of 4, sorry, the value is g of f of 4 dear friends. That is f of 4 value. What is f of 4 value? The value is 1, g of 1, and what is the g of 1 value here? G of 1 value is, again it is 3. Okay dear friends, we can observe that for all x belongs to the set A, and we can observe that all these values, whatever the answer we get, that belongs to the set C. Is it clear everyone? So for g of f, whatever the x values we are taking, those are all domain, and whatever the answer we are getting, those are nothing but all the codomain values. Is it clear? Okay dear friends, this was a simple example. These two are simple example related to our, that is composition of function. Now we shall start with the very very important questions, that is important examination type of questions. So before that, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear friends, please pause the video to note it down. Okay dear friends, now let us start with the next example. That is a very very important as per as examination point of view. It was asked in the supplementary examination, Karnataka State PU Board, for 2 marks question it is. What is there in the question now? Find g of f and f of g given by f of x equal to cos x we are having, and g of x equal to what we have? 3x square. Let us start with this particular example. It was asked for 2 marks. 2 marks means 1 marks for g of f and 1 marks for f of g. Now what is there in this particular example means, first of all I will find g of f of x. Now according to definition, what we have? G of f of x. Now here, what is the f of x value? That I will write down. What is f of x value here? We can observe that f of x value is cos x. That means g of cos x. Is it clear everyone till this? Now what is the g here that we shall write? What is the g function here? G of x function is what it is? 3x square. Now but g of x, it is g of x equal to 3x square. That means in the place of x, what we have to substitute? Cos x we have to substitute. In this place x, what we have to substitute here? Cos x. And here what we have? Whole square we have. Whole square. This is your required result. Very very simple and easy also. For 2 marks important questions. Similarly, f of g. F of g of x. So what we have here, which is equal to f of g of x. Now what is the value for f of g of x here? That is nothing but here f of g of x. Now what is the value for g of x here? G of x equal to what we have here? 3x square. G of x value what we have? 3x square. Now what is f here that we shall observe? What is the function f? Cos x. Okay, that is nothing but here cos x. But in this it was f of x here. That's why we are having f of x. That's why we are having cos x. But here we are having f of 3x square. That means in the place of x, what we should write here? 3x square. That is your required result. Here we have to put the brackets correctly. That is a required result for 2 marks problem. It is important one. Similarly, now let us try it for the next problem. Here only one function is there, f of x we required to find, and the function f from real number to real number we have f of x equal to what we have here, 3 minus x cube whole to the power of cube root, that is 1 by 3 here. That we shall solve. So what we have now, that is, okay dear friends, so what we get here, f of x which is equal to f of x value. Now what is this value of f of x, that we shall observe. So what we get here, which is equal to, now here f of x value, what is f of x value, I will write down, that is 3 minus x cube whole to the power of what we have, 1 by 3, whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now what is this f value now? What is this f value? F value is the whole thing. This whole thing, that is nothing but this particular f is 3 minus x cube whole to the power of what we have, 1 by 3. But that was f of x. In the place of x, what we have to substitute? We have to substitute this whole thing. In the place of this particular x, we have to substitute the whole thing. That is 3 minus x cube, okay, whole to the power of 1 by 3. And what we have, x cube we have, that means only in the place of x we have to substitute all this thing. So what we have to write at last, that is x cube. Okay dear friends, now what happens here, 1 by 3 and 3, it get eliminates. What is our thing we got here, that is 3 minus x cube, 1 by 3, 3 get cancelled, whole raised to 1 by 3. Now I will open the brackets here. Dear friends, I will open the brackets. So what we get here, 3 minus 3, minus into minus plus, x cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Here minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. What is the thing we got? X cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Again here 3 into 1 by 3. Get eliminates. So what is the value we get? The value we get is x here. Dear friends, it is a very very simple problem asked in your supplementary examination 2015 for 2 marks. Okay, it is a very very simple problem. In the next class we will continue with the problems related to our composition of the function. So before that, please pause the video to note it down.